Good morning. It's officially our first full day in Sarajevo. Today on the agenda, we're about to go do a free walking tour, so we're going to learn a lot of history. It's going to be about 2 hours. We'll get some lunch, go to the grocery store, and then we'll see what we do from there. We just got back from one of the local markets, so we'll do a little haul. Got some eggs, we got some fresh sheep's cheese, we got some ground meat, and we got like little baklavas. Alright, next riddle.
Got his hands tied together, hanging from a rope. If you win him, I don't know how you get him out of the box. Some other Bosnian kiddie games. Now for today's budget breakdown. Started out $11, that was for a gyro and a drink. 9.5 mark for 2 Burks. 7 mark for a couple drinks in the middle of the day. 8 mark for a end of the day gyro. 26 mark is when we balled out for lunch just now. Got 2 entrees and a Coke. And then 2.5 mark for a walking around gelato, for a total of 64 mark, which is about 38 USD, leaving $53 in the piggy bank. You guys have also been requesting a budget for extracurricular activities. We just did a walking tour that was 5 mark, and we think tomorrow we're gonna go up to the mountain and go visit City Hall. For the both of us, that'll be 70 mark. We're trying to spend 100 USD in our time in Sarajevo, so we might use the leftover mark to go see an opera or something, but we really don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of the money yet.